going on? So there you go. This is the brand new front chin splitter for the Shelby. You can see this thing is hard as hell to put on. Trying to get the little clips lined up was this freaking hard, man. I actually kind of nicked it right here a little bit. I was using a rag, the rubber mallet, but yeah, this thing was hard. You know, anything's gonna be hard doing it on the floor. Had the car jacked up, fucking hard, man. Sorry for the language, but this thing was a difficult task to do. I am planning to probably get the APR, front splitter. She comes out like around maybe around here, maybe like a inch and a half. It comes out, sticks out a little bit, just to kind of, you know, save this from ever damaging again. I put it on pretty tight. Hopefully it doesn't fall off again. So yeah, there you have it. The front splitter is back on. Car is ready to drive. Almost. I finally got the pedal washers, spacers, I should say. Finally got these things. So these are the pedal washers. It actually raises the gas pedal, so it's kind of in line with the brake pedal, because it's very difficult to heel and tow with this car. Car's pedals is almost set up like a automatic, where the gas pedal is low and your brake pedal is really high, because obviously a lot of automatics you don't have a third pedal. So but let me see, give you a little demonstration. Sorry for the light. Alright, so turn it down so it's not glaring. So as you can see, the difference between the gas pedal and the brake pedal. I should have. Alright. So I'm gonna try to install these spacers to raise the gas pedal, trying to almost level it, not a full level, but maybe an inch and a half difference from the gas pedal, because it's very hard to heel and tow in this car. Number one, the brakes are so sensitive, and you never have to pretty much apply full pressure to the brakes. So it makes it very difficult to heel and tow. So there's two ways to do this. There's the expensive way. They make a gas pedal spacer, things like about $90. And I went to the forums, and other people has been using these nylon, I think like a half inch 3x8 nylon spacers, and it raises the gas pedal for, I think, what, 34 cents. So definitely, you know, utilizing every dollar or whatever. But I'm going to try to do this. I'm going to try to record this because it's a very tight space. I don't know how I'm going to get the camera in here to show you how I'm doing it. I might just do it and then show you the finishing results. So let me show you the spacers. So see this, these are the spacers we'll be using. Little nylon, picked them up from Lowe's. These things was always out of stock. I've been looking for these for like the last 3 weeks. Home Depot don't have any. Going to Lowe's, got them, nylon, durable, and it will go. Sorry about that. Let's see if you can see up in there. Oh, Jesus. So those bolts right there have to come off. Looks like a 10, possibly a 10. All right, so I'm gonna take that off and then attach everything, put it back together, and show you the finishing results. There you go, a better angle. All right, so I'll be back. All right, so got the screws off. Man, I definitely have to invest in some power tools. Seriously, because I mean, it was very easy to take off, but it's just the time, tight space, and trying to use your hands and turn and twist is ridiculous. Definitely gonna invest in some power tools. So as you can see, it's completely loose. Oh, Jesus Christ, this is a tight spot. I don't know if you can see that. Just a camera, so this comes right off like that. Slide right out. It slides right out, and then I'm trying to hold the camera and do this at the same time. Not a good idea, but it is what it is. Actually, I can't because I can't adjust my other arm. All right, so I'm gonna put it on, and then I'll come back, show you some more. All right, so the job is done. Wasn't hard at all. So I had to put 3 washers, spacers, I should say, up top underneath the gas pedal to raise it up. As you can see, compared to what it looked like before, much better for heel and toe. So you notice, so I get a better angle. Notice it's a little bit better angle. You could kind of see where before this was like down to here, so it's very hard to kind of roll off. Now this is much better. And before it was like kind of here, so now it's much better. Light on the brakes, just roll it off side of your foot. The next thing I'm getting is the Stedia, whatever that thing is called, clutch spring, which is gonna go, I don't know if you can see it, it's right there. So the clutch spring I'm gonna change with this light. So the clutch spring that's gonna be next, and that's the clutch spring right there. So I'm gonna change that next. I already ordered it. Should be by maybe Monday, hopefully. So I guess this will be the first GT350 mod, and it's a mod well needed. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Remember to subscribe, hit the bell icon, comment, like, whatever makes you feel happy. All right, so until the next video, man, see you. Peace.